Mommy, let me fix mommy. Oh, this one. This one. Baby. What the number is this?
It's 7.
I'll put in the 7. This one the number.
It's 8.
8. Put in the 8.
It's 8.
This one. What number is this one?
It's 9.
Very good. How about this one?
It's 10.
Yay!
Oh, where's the apple in the next page?
Ito, ba't din yung muna punin yan?
Wala na yung ganyan sa mukha. Oh, this one.
What's it?
It's the shapes.
The shapes.
A
Wow,
shape.
it's a shape.
Look, the
It's a
shapes.
shapes. Wow.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Oh, this one. What? What do you want?
Wait a minute. Kaping mainit. Yun muna daw. Para daw napupuno, hindi lagtaw-lagtaw.
There's a five animals.
Animals? Okay. Let's find them. Where's the monkey? Put the face of the monkey.
What's it?
Oh, no?
Yeah.
Very good.
It's a giraffe. Where's the face of giraffe?
Look like what?
Uy, galing. Very good.
What the face of fox?
A box.
Spox.
An owl.
It's working.
Yes, it's working.
Very
Whoa.
good.
It's an owl.
The owl.
Yes, the owl.
Yay.
The hippopotamus. Where's the face is this? The
There.
hippo. Very good.
The water.
The elephant.
Oh, whoa.
Woo.
Whoa.
The frog.
Very good.
What's the next?
A tiger.
A tiger.
Tiger, please. Tiger, please.
Where's the monkey?
Wait lang.
Monkey.
Oh,
the monkey.
fix the tiger.
What's the last one?
It's a rabbit.
Hey,
Yes, very
very good.
What else do you want? A color?